forget. Undo is your best friend in AutoCAD.
The other thing is, like, if we have to run off, about like 10 years from now, someone wants to remove one of those
And
walls.
before we go on, let me show you
An entire, I guess, analysis.
how to maybe save some of your work if you lose it. How many people have used Civil 3D and had it crash? If Civil 3D crashes, we get that dialog box that comes up that says, right, you're screwed, you just lost all your work and your boss is going to pay you, right? Don't touch that dialog box. Do not close Civil 3D. If you're lucky and you have autosave on, and you go to your search programs, type %temp%, hit enter, you open up to your Windows temporary folder. If you have your autosave on, you will see a file named, with your file name, some numbers, and SV $. As soon as you close AutoCAD, that file disappears by design. And it's made to help AutoCAD recover data if it loses it. It's not made to be a backup. It's not made to be relied on. This is a, maybe I'll get lucky and get my data back. If I take this and rename it .dwg, I can now close AutoCAD. It will not delete the file, and I can try to recover the data in there. You must have autosave on. I typically set it for 10 minutes. You see I have my data. Right, I lost a little bit from the last, but better to lose 10 minutes worth of work than 2 hours or 2 days. Right? If you open a file and it keeps crashing on you, try opening it using the recover command. Type recover into your command line. It will open up the file and check it for errors. It will also fix it. This is better than the audit command, because audit command occurs when the file is open and it's active in memory, and AutoCAD can't fix a lot of issues when it's open, just like you can't fix a lot of things on your car when it's running. So the recover command will check it before it opens, before it loads into memory, fix it, and then let you save it. All right. So I've got this wonderful parcel to subdivide. Surface properties, you guys can hide your display by assigning a hidden style. All right. So I'm going to turn off some of these walls and utilities because I really want to work with polylines on the edges. What's that? Yes, it's an existing home. This is a historic barn, but believe it or not, when we did this subdivision, we found a farmer who came and disassembled it, and took it away to his farm and reassembled it. So we were able to save up the historic commission, which we liked. All right, so I like using a one-point break on a polyline. And I just start, this is my outer boundary. Remember before I copied it from the parcel file, the existing parcel file? I'm just going to break it at all the corners so I can start framing some stuff out. I'm going to insert